Next one is Joe, please, would you check DYM chart? Never heard of that one, but yes, we can definitely check that one. So this one, it looks good. We had some resistance right here, same thing, previous resistance. And this actually created a bull flag if you trade patterns, and it broke out of the trend line. So let's go ahead and show all this stuff. So here's our level of resistance. It broke above it. Then it did a beautiful retest. Absolutely gorgeous retest. And now it broke above this new level. So this is an entry. This is a definite entry. Underneath, I'll do 10%. I would do underneath these levels of support. And for my target, I would do my target underneath resistance, which is right here. Everywhere throughout the entire chart is nothing but support resistance levels. When the price action came down and it stopped, created a candle body, this was support at this time. Since we're underneath it, that area is resistance. Same thing with the wicks. When the price action came all the way down and got bought up, this wick represents a area of resistance. I'm sorry, support, because it got supported and it bounced up. Since the price action is underneath it, when it reaches that area, it is now resistance. Write that down, but you can't see it because that was in the way. So this is the area that I was just referring to. Kind of came all the way down, got bought up, created a wick. This wick is now an area of resistance because price action's underneath it. Let's go and do one more target, but this one's an enter now type deal. Again, not financial advice, not financial advice. And then another thing, also always look at my crosshairs. So these little dotted lines that are on the screen right now, those are my crosshairs. So I actually put my target underneath what was support, but now since the price action is underneath it, is now resistant. So I have my level of my target level underneath these kind of bodies, underneath these kind of bodies, underneath this wick, which also represents resistance. It's weaker resistance than a candle body. We also have underneath these candle body stops and wicks, underneath these candle bodies, stops and wicks, underneath these as well, and underneath these wicks, underneath this tops or candle bodies. So the placement that I put, everything is very strategic. When it comes to my support resistance levels, when it comes to my targets, when it comes to my stop losses, everything I do is very strategic. And I really need everybody to be a detective when I'm doing this stuff, because I explain it all the time. But if I don't, because maybe you watched the previous video but you didn't catch it, just be very observant. Be very observant. These are my targets. So let's go ahead and put this as my stop loss, this as my target, this as target, and I would enter right now. I would enter right now, and then sure, I could put a lower bid. So the blues are my lower bids. So more than likely the price action may shoot, man. This is a low volume node all day. It's a great chart. Winter, man, killed it on this one. Absolutely killed it. Let's say it goes up a little bit, comes down. I don't know what the market cap is though. Goes up, and then I mean it can just go. So I would definitely enter right now, that's for sure. And then I would enter possibly on a bounce. And if you want to, you can do the break of this high, just like we did the break of this high, just like we did the break of this high. So that's all that is. See, market cap is 606.8 million. Top 120. This one, I think is going to do very well. I mean, all this really right here, all of our target is a good area, no resistance. It's a fairly new coin too, a couple months old, 2 months. So let's go ahead and put this on our watch list for YouTube. See, Winter says, I want to get more and more DYM to put at stake to get more than 100 airdrops. Nice work, man. Very nice work. It's a blockchain and has incentive for holders. DYM. Okay, this one, market cap is good. Circulating supply. Okay, 2 months ago, all-time high is down about 52%. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. Check out their website. Home of the Roll apps. Dymension is a home for easily deployable and lightning fast app chain called Roll apps. Run a node. I love this part. I love nodes. Page not found. Okay. Okay, Twitter. Let's go to Twitter. Lots of followers. Let's see. April 18, so 2 days ago, did a post, lots of engagement. Lots of engagement. Okay. I was hoping to find out more stuff on this, but it's okay. Mark says a VPN wouldn't cause a page not found. I always relate to everything that happens as my VPN. Telegram, Medium, HashAI. It's 113 million market cap. It is, and we're gonna check the website in just a moment. It's down 57% from 14 days ago. And tags? No tags? Okay. So artificial intelligence meets mining excellence with a vast crypto and Web3 experience. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. More things and stuff with over 500 top GPUs. Okay. Harness the power of AI. When were you created? Where's your white paper? No white paper. Okay. Website where artificial intelligence meets mining excellence. Great website. Love it. We use AI to enhance mining efficiency. Unique HashAI token. We also are introducing our very own HashAI token. You already have a what? Maximize returns. Introducing a mining algorithm that maximizes returns through AI optimization. Okay, so they're trying to solve a problem, which is good. I like where they state the problem and then they find the solution. HashAI is a solution to the problem. Our advanced AI algorithms provide significant benefits in terms of ROI, return on investment, for both clients and token holders, as well as helping businesses and individuals achieve their financial goals sooner and far more efficiently. So what was the problem that you're solving? So many opportunities are missed by mining only long-term profitable coins. Very true, very true. Disregarding short-term ones that can be twice as profitable for periods. Very true. As short as an hour. Okay, I like this, because if you're mining and your coin, you realize that there's another coin that can be mined faster, or the value of that coin is gaining momentum. What you have to literally do is you have to go into the program. It's more of a UI, a website, and then just cancel that algorithm that you're trying to solve for, and then change it over to another one, and then start it, and then you got to change it back to the other one. So this, I really like that. One thing I don't like, I hate roadmaps like this, where they say phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, or don't even say anything. It just has a 1, a 2, a 3. Give me dates. March of this year, well, March of next year, July of this year, first quarter of 2024, give me something. Website and dApp launch, coin launch, mining facility, rev share from mining and taxes. See, you're doing so great. HashAI, you are doing so great. Future plans, I'm in the way, but it says we will allow any token holder to rent hash power for certain periods of time. Node rental. We plan to extend our facilities and introduce further GPUs specifically for node rental. Our plan, they should put an L there. They need to get a proofreader. Their non-stick pan is to start with 100 GPUs across 40 nodes. Where is it at? Let's go to the markets. It's on Uniswap. Oh, that's it. Dang it. Only on Uniswap. And they have Poloniex. I've never traded on Poloniex. Fairly new coin. In order for it to be a safer entry, we're looking for 100% increase. Let's zoom in. So we do have resistance right here. Very strong resistance. Before it was strong support. Then it became very strong resistance. So right now for this particular coin, if I wanted to enter this coin, I would just be aware that it's going to be at least 40% that I'm going to be missing out, because I'm going to set an alert somewhere up here. More than likely enter somewhere up here before I would enter the coin. Now, if I were to enter right now, I would know that I have a very strong potential, very strong likelihood that the coin may drop another 25% just for it to meet this level of support. Now, could it break this support? 100%. So what I would do is, if I was very bullish on this coin, I would probably put maybe 50% now, and say this is going to be a long-term hold, not even a trade. So again, with this, you have to think of different possibilities of how you're going to trade. So this is a long-term hold. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put 50% now, because it could go and it could just blow up. I put 50% now, and then I would put a lower entry right around here, and it'll be blue. So that's what I would do. I'd have a lower bid here, and if it broke this level, then I would just wait until it created a higher high and a higher low. low, because this could go down another 30, 40, 50%. And then once it created a higher low or a higher high, then I would start adding to my entry, so that instead of being down 70%, now I'm only down 30%. Kind of give you a heads up on that. I do like the concept of this. Is this original? Nope, sure isn't. There's so many of them like that. But the market cap is only 113 million. So I do like that.